In today's video, we'll be making bacon wrapped shrimp glazed in the garlic honey sauce. I'm seasoning my shrimp with Kinder's Prime steak rub today, but you can use any savory seasonings you would like. Once you get them seasoned up real good, split your bacon in half. It'll make it a lot easier to wrap the shrimp. Also, it'll keep the bacon a little thinner so it'll cook up a little bit crispier. We don't do chewy bacon around here. So I didn't realize I was wrapping the shrimp out of the frame, but I'll show you a close-up when I'm done. Make sure you get a toothpick in it that holds your bacon on. You don't want bacon flopping everywhere. Only 16 more to go. Let's make a sauce. You'll need half a cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger along with 3 grated garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and about 12 ounces of honey. Once it comes to a boil, just stir it up real good and set it to the side. Have your grill set at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to have your pan in it scorching hot as well. I just let my pan heat up with my grill, so it was good to go whenever I was ready to cook some shrimp. Once you have your shrimp in the pan, close the lid and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you flip them, wait another 2 to 3 minutes and hit them one time with the sauce and let them cook for about 2 minutes and they're done. Easy peasy. So here's the part where my camera overheated and I lost footage of me taking them off the grill, but they went straight to the plate and I do have that footage. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.